Hey guys, welcome again to the second part of this series of repair and remodeling of this two-bedroom house. The reason for this renovation is basically poor workmanship on the part of the previous builder. And for us, we basically want to add and improve all the different elements of the house to make it a modern, functional, an elegant house for the client. Travel with us as we tackle all the challenges in this journey of rebuilding and renovating this house. Uh, Thank you. What you're seeing there is Seeker Light. That is a product that we want to use to help us in preventing dampness on the plinth of the house. The plinth basically is the base of the house that is around the house. So we are using this on a ratio of 1:1. That is 1 kilogram of the powder to 1 bag of cement. The bag of cement is normally 50 kgs. So we are mixing it well. Then we, of course, add water. Then use it for the plastering of the lower part of the house, so that we can help it and prevent against moisture from the soil or for when it rains. Yeah. So as you can see, that is the finished product. Basically, the finished render of the plinth. As you can see, it's protruding a bit, also to kill the monotony of the wall. Here we are in the kitchen. We've raised that wall by about 20 centimeters. This one is to allow us to be able to put a pipe for water supply to the sink of the kitchen, and also just to have a place where you can put the tap. As you are aware, the sink normally is around 900 millimeter from the floor, so then you need an extra 200 millimeters to allow you to put the plumbing pipe and the tap for the sink. Yeah, as you can see, that is what we are doing currently. We are covering all the areas, small or big, checking all the details and leaving no stone untouched, so to say. As you can see next, that is the base of the column. That is the column at the back veranda. We basically hacked off demolished the columns up to the base level for the back side, and did them afresh. That way we are sure of their strength and also of their lining, so that they are straight and just to make sense in terms of design. That is still at the back as we are working on it. Our main aim is to make the house as strong as possible and as beautiful as possible. That is what we are paid to do. Yeah, so we'll do it to the best of our knowledge, and we are very skilled and experienced in this line. That is the front column. There we found that there was no need of demolishing, so what we did, we basically just reinforced the existing column with more rings on the columns and the joints, and then also we added wire mesh on it, wrapped to the wire mesh, and used a mix of a 1/4 inch ballast cement and sand on it, and filled it up and increased the size a bit. That way we know that the column is strong and will also serve the intended purpose. As you can see, that is what is going on. We're basically just finalizing it. The other two will also still be corrected in the same manner that we've done with that one. As you can see, the three are already now done. They're looking much better, much more presentable, and even from the picture, there's a feeling of strength in them. We will still do some light decorations on them, just a little bit. We don't want to overdo. We don't want the house to be so dramatic. Just give it some good character, one that will be appealing to the eye. Viewers, this is Gen Z today. This is repair and remodeling of an old house in Kisumu, sorry, in Siaya County. Welcome, and we appreciate you so much for being with us here. This is what we do, and we pride ourselves in doing good work. This is the back of the house. This is the expansion of the washroom. As you said, we were also adding a shower cubicle of about a 1.2 by 1 meter. That's enough for a big sized person to shower comfortably. As you can see, we also added another extra window just to create more light and air in the bathroom. We are doing it as skillfully as possible, and we are doing it well. We've said there's no big or small project for us. We apply the same principle of good quality and even quantity work. Quantity in terms of what we deliver. We don't take shortcuts. We just give you, and we even give you more than what you paid for. That is still the shower cubicle from outside that is being worked on. We believe that in time we'll understand how it's going to come out as we continue working on it and continue producing more pictures and videos. This is the molding team. These are decorators. They're just doing their settings there. We just want to do some light decorations on the column so that they can look well, elegant and maybe I would say stylish, you know. Yeah, they're just checking and setting and coming up with the simple design. As you can see, there you have a simple. We also have common designs of moldings on the columns. Well, a bit tiring, so we said, okay, let's try and do a simple one. One that will still add some character to both the front and the back of the house, yeah. Because everything starts from what you see. If what you see is good, it's good. If what you see is bad, it's bad. So what can you say other than just deliver? From a distance, you can see we are busy working. We are setting the lower moldings along the plinth. You can see to differentiate the plinth, the upper part of the house. You can also see we've already plastered it, and curing has been going on, and it's coming out well. Now this is the molding that I was talking about. This basically borders the plinth and the wall above the plinth, yeah, just to add to some beauty and character. That is the decoration on the column. You can see it's being worked on. Remember, as we keep on saying, that we are here to improve the lives of our clients through good work. We are here to make sure that we deliver, on our promises of quality. All the people who've worked with us, they know one thing that we don't joke around with is quality. Quality, we give it to you, as a way of living of Gen Z today. Those are the fundis who are working on the molding, the window sill, the lower. This is just a sample also, but that is how it's going to look. Just the molding. We'd say just to do the molding on the window sill and maintain a basic molding around the window. As we said, just a little touch of beauty, just a bit of it. Throw it here there, but don't dramatize it. This is not a big house, so don't kill it with a lot of designs from left, right, and center. It's not worth it. It's a waste of resources, and also even doesn't look good. Just do a bit of it, throw it here and there, and that's what we are doing here, as you can see, with the fundi who is working on it. Guys, this is Ujenzi today. We are here on this part series. This is part 2 of our series of repairing and remodeling of a 2-bedroom house in Siaya County. We appreciate you guys, and we welcome you for this and many more of our productions that we are going to have in future. Our main aim is to teach where possible, correct where possible, and also just to enlighten you on new and modern ways of building your home. We know that there are so many challenges, and we hope that through this video you may learn one or two mistakes that maybe were done previously, and just to see how to avoid those mistakes. And it's a learning curve even for you as a builder to learn from other builders' mistakes, and even how to correct the mistakes in your future projects. Viewers, this is the end of part 2. Indeed, it's been a privilege to have you here. We appreciate you for taking the time to stay here and learn and watch what we are doing. It's a continuous journey for us, and we hope that you're going to be with us as we travel the entire length. Please like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification button to know when our next video will be out. That is the part 3 of this series of repair and remodeling of this 2-bedroom house. Thank you.